This is a anime chatbot, AI chatbot application. Here we can speak with AI characters, as you can see, or anime characters, as you can see here. A lot of them which can speak with, can go in the recommendation section, can go in the anime section, female section, real section, and as well male section here, but they are all AI generated. Anyways, so let's say you want to speak with, for example, this person here. Can tap on the person that you want to speak with, and as well, if you want to unlock a few photos of them, you pretty much have to tap on this option here, and to make sure that you have coins as well. So if you do have coins, you'll be able to unlock their photos and so forth. So if you want to unlock all their photos, you can tap on the option here, and you have to have, you can see your 108 gems to unlock all of the photos. So you can go ahead and chat with this AI chatbot here. As you can see, pretty much loads up everything here. So I'm going to send here, as you can see, pretty much be able to speak with the AI chatbot and so forth. So nothing much for that there. And yeah, that's how you speak with the AI chatbot with this application here. And the more you speak with them, the more you get to unlock some of their photos and so forth. So as well, you can tap on the option over here to check on the chats or the chatbot that you have speak with. You can see I was currently speaking with this chatbot here. You can go ahead and check out the conversation again. As well, you can create groups as it relates to these chatbots that you want to speak with. So as it relates to the subscription for this application here, you can tap on this option over here and able to tap on the get more option or the upgrade to pro. So here we're able to upgrade to the pro subscription. They do give you gems as well. So once you get your subscription, you'll be able to get gems. You have a weekly subscription. They pretty much tells you how much gems you'll be getting. And for the monthly subscription, they tell you how much gems you'll be getting as well. So the gems are different from the gems itself. So once you purchase this subscription, and let's say you're finished out all of your gems, and the subscription hasn't expired as yet, you may need to purchase more gems. So you may need to go in this section here and tap on the get more option, and you'll be able to purchase gems separately. And as well, they do sometimes offer you to watch ads to get free gems, and they pretty much will get 3 gems per ads you watch. So that's pretty much it for this application. And as well, you can tap on the plus icon here to pretty much create your own AI chatbot. As you can see here, you can go ahead and enter some settings and so forth. And you can either make it public, or if you don't want to make it public, it's all up to you. And as well, not just AI chatbot, but you'll be able to create, let's say, photos as well. So you pretty much have to get around 120 gems as well. Well, yeah. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. Very, very simple application. Nothing much. But if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see if I can help you out.